Hey, welcome back to Cool Guitar, and let's draw the very cool looking R2-D2. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and this one is pretty easy to draw. It's just that there's a lot of details, and you can put in as much details as you want. So let's just start out with the basic shape first. It's just gonna be his body, so it's just gonna be a big rectangle. So that's gonna be the width of the body. Okay, so it's almost like a square, but slightly longer. Okay, and then from the top, it's just gonna be one big dome shape. So this is probably gonna be the trickiest part, because it's very difficult to draw a dome shape. Okay, so you can sketch it out first. That'll be a little bit easier, like what I've done here. Okay, and then once you have the top, let's just go ahead and finish up the shape on the bottom right here. So just come in on the side right here and make two little marks, and then I'm gonna taper it in and then close out the bottom. Alright, so that's gonna be the overall shape of the body. So now let's rough in the shape of the arms first, and then we can add in all those cool little details inside. So we're gonna start on the side right here. Just extend that line and then come all the way down, almost to the bottom here, but just stop short, and then it's come in. Okay, so same thing on this side. So we're gonna be drawing the same thing on both sides. Okay, so just come over here. Let's close that off. Okay, so we're gonna continue down. So we're gonna extend this line, extend it out, and then on this line right here, just keep going down. From this side here, just come straight down, and then we're gonna taper it in, and then whatever space you have here, just close it off flat. So same thing on this side. Alright, so continuing down to the foot here, I'm going to extend this line, come down a little bit more. On this side here, come out, and then this one's going to flare out slightly, and then we'll just close it off with a horizontal line. Okay, so same thing here. Just come down, you can use the other side for reference. Just come out. And then this one's gonna flare out. Okay, and then for the inside here, start on this corner, draw like a little dome shape, come straight down, and then close it off flat again. So start here, dome shape straight down, and then just close it off. Okay, and then to finish off the foot here on the bottom, just slant inward and just close it off. Okay, and then the middle here, it's got one more. So right in the center here, just draw a little rectangle. And then from here, we're gonna flare out right to here. And then same thing here on the bottom. So just come in and then close it off. Alright, so that's the overall shape, and now we can add in all those cool little details inside. So let's start out with the body first. So right in the center of this, I'm gonna draw one rectangle. And then on the inside here, just gonna draw, this one's gonna be a square, and then the one on the bottom is gonna be maybe slightly longer. Okay, and then on the inside here, two lines across. On this one here, 2 lines coming down, and then in the middle I'm just gonna add in some horizontal lines. Okay, so let's keep going up, and right here on top of this, it's 1 line across, and then I'm gonna go up. And then on the inside of this rectangle, I'm gonna draw in 2 longer rectangles. Alright, and then in the middle right here, I'm gonna come down, just draw a little square. And then on the inside, just draw a circle. And let's add in 1 little circle inside. Alright, and then I'm gonna come across here. Just 1 rectangle, and then in here I'm just gonna add in some lines. Okay, and then this side, just come across here, just draw 1 oval. Okay, and then on the bottom here, it's got some lines. So right in the middle, I'm gonna draw 2 lines first. And then whatever space you have here, just kinda draw like a little slant. Okay, so let's go up and add in some of the main details on top here. So right here, there's gonna be 1 bar. So I'm just gonna draw 2 lines. So this part's gonna be blue. And then the center right here, I'm gonna add in a rectangle. 1 circle inside. Come over to the side here. Draw a slightly bigger circle. And then right on the corner here, draw like a smaller circle. So we're kind of seeing it in perspective. Alright, and then we're gonna keep going across. Just draw like a little bar all the way to the side. And then adding a couple of lines. Okay, so same thing here. Give a little bit of space. Divide this up, and then I'm gonna add in 2 little rectangles inside. And add 1 line here. Alright, so there's gonna be another big shape up here, right in the center. Let's draw 1 line first. And then this one, we're just gonna taper up just a little bit. Close it off, and then it's got another lens right here. So another circle. And then all the way on the top, just 2 lines, come down, and then just go out to the side. And then right up here, there's a little shape that comes out. Okay, so let's move on. Come back down to the body, and let's add in some details to the arms. So right in the middle of this, I'm gonna divide it in half. And then draw 1 line on the side right here. Just go all the way down. Right here, I'm gonna add 1 little rectangle. Alright, and then right in the middle of this, just slant up. Just draw a little shape like that. Alright, so more details down here. I'm just gonna add in a little square each side. Down here, just 2 little rectangles. And right here, it's got some tubing, so I'm just gonna draw a little arc like this. On the corner, just gonna bracket it, and then just close it off. And then we can add some lines here. So same thing here. It's 1 curve, bracket. And we just used that line, so we're just gonna continue it out. Okay, and then right here, just one more rectangle. Alright, so that is it for this R2-D2. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.